Watch this sassy parrot unleash cheeky banter on a tough cop. Total game changer. Will the officer crack a smile?
Officer, can you arrest me?
Arrest you? What'd you do this time, Taco?
Stealing hearts without a license, officer!
Taco, why are you whistling at me again? That's workplace harassment, mister.
Harassment? Officer, I call it motivation. Morning shift's hard without you. Officer, when you hold those cuffs, my mind goes crazy for you.
Taco, behave.
Officer, I will later. Right now, my love wants a private arrest. Taco, when you focus like that, my mind focuses only on you.
Taco, stop it.
Officer, can't stop now. My heart filed a case for your love. Lawyer, are you defending hearts now?
Why, Taco?
Because mine just confessed to you.